So it's Christmas Day. I bought my wife a head massager for her stocking. I thought it was the stupidest thing in the world. I thought it looked moronic. I thought it was stupid. She came up and started doing this to me with it. I'm pretty sure it was a sexual experience, and I almost choked to death on my chocolate that was in my mouth when she started rubbing my head with that thing. Everybody needs one of those. Oh my god. So I was doing beer reviews, and one of my beers was infected, and the head just is not going away. I want to go rinse out my cup so I can continue doing beer reviews. But then my wife's going to hurt me. Because we haven't had sewage picked up in 4 days, and we haven't had water in a while. So, yeah, you can smell the sewage in here. Starting to get to the top. Guess what we got for Christmas? Another blizzard. So today is Monday. What's Monday? Monday is December 28th. This started on Boxing Day. This blizzard's been going for 3.5 days now. We haven't gotten water in all that time. We haven't gotten sewage in all that time. We haven't gotten garbage in all that time. It's bad. And every dog in the world is shitting in front of our house. See? I scoop my dog's shit daily. That's not what they do in one day. Oh my god. Bye. So we're now going on 96 hours of blizzard. This door doesn't close anymore. This door is now damaged to fuck from having to rip it open because when the company put this house in, they decided to face it. That's where all the wind comes from, this way. All the wind comes this way at all times. So every blizzard, everything, it all blows into this door and is destroying it. And that's where we're at right now. Nanook, you ready to come in? Hey, Nanook! So there's been no water for days and no sewage for days. So when it comes to cleaning, it's wet wipe cleaning. Right? Oh, yeah. Beautifulness of having a sewage tank in your house and having a water tank in your house and no way of getting any of that except for with a truck, a water truck and a sewage truck that has not been able to run for days because of a 3-day blizzard. We even have dry shampoo, so you can wash your hair without water.
But no, so I can wash my hair.
I have white hair. I need to wash mine too. I already snuck some out for. So this is the new fun. My metal door's cracking and coming up because of all the ice filling up in there from the blizzard. You see all the snow coming under. You see that my thing fell off.
Inside!
Yeah, it's fun. Can't open the door. So we're at work. We're in the utility room. Had a few mice venturing in. Pretty sure that might be part of the problem. So we're going to do a Chad fix here. We have a jack. My floor hole is now covered. No more mice. So tomorrow morning, I will have to shuffle out the store's sewage, which should be right about there. Yeah. Well, guys, I'm currently melting ice off the door with a heat gun so that we can close it. It's been about 25 minutes so far. It's been a lot of fun. Yeah. Bye. Everybody needs one of these. I'm not even kidding. You can't even see what she's using. There we go. Do it again. One more time. Bye, guys. So the furnace in one of our warehouses died yesterday. So we're on the way to check if the fix we did last night worked and that it's still running. Because we have another couple weeks before we'll see a tech. So it's all Band-Aid solutions. For anyone that says you get plowed in the south, you don't know what getting plowed in is. Yeah. So we're passing the furniture warehouse. You guys have seen the furniture warehouse. It had all the sea cans beside it. There's all the sea cans from the blizzard. I am not getting that shot. There's the warehouse. Yeah, that's a 2-story warehouse. I can walk to the top right now. And those sea cans have product in it that I need to get to in the next day. Guess who's not getting to it? Over there's where we're going to check the furnace. Yeah. And she's still running. That's awesome. Alrighty. Off to do something else. I'm fucking cold. So, I've had a few people in the last little while ask why we don't use snowblowers here. Snowblowers only work like the moment the snow hits the ground, and the reason for that is this stuff. This stuff freezes solid pretty much the second it's been on the ground for a few minutes. So yeah, you can't snowblow blocks of ice, and that's the biggest problem. So everything is shoveled. Yeah, on my way back to work. Well, update. Still no garbage. Did get water. Still no sewage, so I can't take a shower until I get the sewage done. Well, at least I'm going into 2021 with water, but I still have this. Yeah. Happy New Year, everybody. See you soon.